Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So someone asked me last week, is it only studio pictures that Kumu can edit? Nah, the answer is no. You can edit anything. Infants, prenatal, studio, burial, wedding, side occasion, anything. Right? There's an amazing feature in Kumu that allows you edit multiple faces at the same time. Right? So what we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be using Kumu to retouch this wedding image. Let me show you the full image here. So we're going to be using Kumu to retouch this full wedding image. And I'm also going to show you how you can synchronize it across all other wedding images that we have here. So if you have like 1,000 pictures inside here, if your PC can carry it, then when you just work on one, you use it and retouch the rest of other ones, export it, and you have a good job. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. The first thing I want to do is to restore few details back to the dress, because I'm seeing some BDs on the dress, but because of the highlight, it's not so definite. So it's not so definite. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into my filter, then I'll go down to my local. Inside my local, I'll go to clothes. Yeah, this is their clothes over here. Let me make it smaller so that you see it properly. So this is the mask of the general image. So I'm going to select the mask of their clothes. You can as well add the order. Because of the white application she's holding, you can as well add it. Then press create. Now we have it on a separate layer over here. If I hover over here, you're going to see that all the white areas are all selected. Now I can go into the exposure adjustment of it and reduce the highlights. So the moment I break down the highlights, you notice that the highlights and the dress goes down. Then I can as well increase the clarity. Right? Then if you want to, make the white become even whiter, I can just reduce the saturation a little bit. So I think the highlight is too low. We'll reduce it, increase the exposure just slightly, and that is it. So this is how you can retouch your clothing independently. Very important. Then maybe you want the background to be darker. You come over here, you go to the background. So our background is selected. You can now reduce the exposure of the background so that the image will stand out, and probably increase the vibrance of the background, and maybe increase the warmness. Right? Then go back to your global, go to tone, increase the overall vibrance of the image and the overall warmness of the image. And we are good to go. So we are done with everything we are doing here. Let me show you what we've done so far. This is the before, this is the after. So you see the way, just very few clicks, we're able to bring even better drama to the image. If you don't like the color of the background, you can as well change it. While in your background, go down to the HSL, go to the hue. So I think the background is majorly in the orange. So if I'm moving it around, you notice that it's changing the hue of the background. I think I love the red. Man, let's leave it to the red. The image is just standing out. We can as well push it towards the yellow, but man, I prefer the red. Let's stay here. Okay. But most of your wedding images, the backgrounds are not going to be the same, so you may not need to put this. I only did it to show you exactly how that will look at the masking. So accurate. Now, the next thing I want to do is to retouch the image. So if you notice here, it's selecting woman. If we go back to this mask over here, we are going to notice that it has seen the man's face as man, seen the woman's face as woman. So it means we are going to retouch their two faces independently, then synchronize the image. When you synchronize the image, it's going to apply the one that goes to the male, and the one that goes to the female, So this is how you can as well use it to retouch maybe like a family image where you have baby, you have mother, you have father, you have, all of that. You can retouch the child, retouch the woman, retouch the man, then synchronize it across all the images. It will be detecting their faces and applying it on their faces independently or individually. Now it's time to do the scale retouch. Let's move on to the woman first. So for the woman, I'm going to increase the acne, to reduce the acne, reduce the moles on the face. Do the same thing for the body. Then go down to my matte, bring it down a little. Then forehead wrinkle, dark circle, wrinkle around eye. I'm not going to be touching her cheek line or her smile line. I'm going to leave it there. Glossy up the lip line as well. And the neck wrinkles, reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so if you lost focus in your image, you might as well click on face this focus okay. Now it's time to do the scale retouching proper. So we'll go into the scale retouching, run our frequency separation, increase the high pass a little, do our micro dodge and burn, and as well increase the gray contour to bring back the dimensions, and a little bit of the skin refinement and the body frequency separation for the body, and as well increase the facial textures and a little bit of the AI retouch. Now we'll have a uniform skin tone, but let's try, unifying it the more. Going to increase the skin tone balance multiple so that it brings together both the face and the body. So you can decide any skin tone you want for the image, right? So looking at the image, you're going to notice that she's quite a light skinned person. So we'll go for something more natural. Bring it down a bit, then increase the overall warmness of the skin tone to get a very beautiful skin tone there. Now we need to make a little correction to the hair, darken it down a little, soften it out. So we'll go to the hair, reduce the stray hair, soften up the hair a little, and select a darker color, reduce the opacity or the intensity, so that we'll get quite a dark hair for the bride. Nice. So once that is done, we are going to improve her makeup. So we'll go all the way down to the makeup, enhance her eyebrow, enhance her eye makeup, enhance the shadows to bring back the contours, enhance the highlight to give you that bronzer look. Then we'll also enhance the lip makeup and a little bit of the blush. There, right there. Then for the teeth, we can increase to reduce the blemish and whiten it out. And that is it. Look at the image. This is the before, this is the after, the before, the after. And we'll have a good image right there. So we'll move over to the man. We'll go to the man. Of course, we'll go and start all the way from the top and do it for him. So we'll reduce the acne, the same acne for the body blemishes, marks, forehead wrinkles, very important. Then we can leave a girl that's in the same way. It is eye wrinkle, yeah. Then we'll go down to the scale retouch. You don't need to do much on a man. So you just do your frequency separation on him. With your high pass, do your micro dodging and burning. Use your neutral gray contour. And a little bit of skin refinement. Increase the frequency separation for the body. A little bit of the skin texture. And a little bit of the AI cascade. We have a good image already. So let's say he's wearing a suit that the suit is wrinkled a little or rumpled a little. You want to fix it. All you need to do is just go to the remove wrinkles on the clothing slider and just increase it like this. And it's going to detect all the wrinkles on the dress. The ones that are not looking natural are removed there. Now we are done. Right? Let's see how he handles his trousers. Very good. So we are done with the skin retouching. The next thing to do is to apply the same effect across all and achieve uniform results. To do that, hold your shift, click on the last image, depending on where your own is, synchronize. Make sure that everything is selected. Everything you want to synchronize is selected. After synchronizing it, press confirm and wait for it to do the magic. Okay, so if you look right here, you will notice that this one is already done. Look at it. The same result. The before, the after, amazing. This one as well. So like when I said, if it's just one person standing in the image, it will target that only one person and work on the person. If it's two persons, it will target on two persons. So if you look at this one now, it saw only the woman and it worked on her. The same thing with this one, only the lady worked on her. The same thing with this one, only the lady worked on her. But the one he saw her and her husband worked on the two of them. Look at our original image, the one we used for all of this. Then this is the last one. Amazing result. Amazing result. amazing result. I know you're wondering how you'll be able to lay your hands on Kumu. Very simple. Go to the description of this video, click on the link there that you will see to download it. And when you download, you're also going to see also our promo code in the description of the video. Also use it on your first credit purchase to get extra 20 credits when you purchase your first credit. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.